We are at an undisclosed location.
Okay.
We have an old residential Matot elevator here.
This is elevation.
White slip on the top of it.
Oh, look at this.
They don't work.
They don't work. All right, come in.
Yes, I'll be. Okay. Well,
I'll get the accordion.
Okay.
Send it down to the first floor first.
Yep. All right. Here.
Lights don't work.
Now go up to
We
4.
have to open the gate first.
Which side does 4 open on?
It'll be by you.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Your interlock's going by.
The elevator's like settled. It's really kind of interesting.
Elite.
Yeah.
It's the elite.
Yes, the Matot Elite.
The Elite.
700 pound capacity. I'm in here, so that might be a problem.
Let's listen to this thing silent going down. Hold on, let me get the door to shut. There
Just
we
a
go.
magnet.
All right. Ready?
All right, let's listen silent. Nifty little elevator. I want to see something here. This is the main floor, right?
Right. Oh, you gotta
Pop
cycle the door first.
I want to see something here.
Single call.
Single call.
And the hall button does light up when you light up the floor. They light up together. So if you get out and look at the hall call and I press this, it'll light up.
Cycle it. Cool.
Winding drum traction.
This is a cool little elevator. All right.
It's just a very short trip.
And it looks like the
We
light
have now
bulb is
visited-
still out.
We have now visited every floor this elevator serves.
We have.
This is a neat little elevator. Please leave the lights on. Let's get a...
Well, we got one light. It's just a very residential style elevator.
This is a neat little elevator. I'll get out of your way so you can look
Make
at
sure
it.
the gate's closed.
Yep. Looks like it kind of.
It's partially auto closed.
That's it.
That'll be it.
A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.